So what you can also do is generate out a sphere inside of GIMP. So for that, you need to utilize Sphere Designer. So to do that, you need to go around under Filters and then go around under Render and go to Sphere Designer right here. So once you go around onto Sphere Designer, then you can see that this is what you have. You can go around, choose around the color of the sphere right here, and you can see that it reflects it out right there. Similarly, you can go around, select the light as well, as you can see right here. So this is the light, as you can see right here. You can change around the amount of the light right here and so forth, and you can see that it reflects out on the sphere. There are also transforms, so you can go around, change the position and everything right here. Let me just go around and press OK, and there is the sphere, as you can see right here, just like this, which covers up the entire background right here. If I were to go around over here onto, let's say for example, onto the Sphere Designer. So let's just go around over here onto Render, onto Sphere Designer right here, just like this. Let me just go around, change around the scale a bit right here, just like this, and then around over here in the texture, let's just select texture right here and select font. Let's say for example right here, you can see the sample right here. There's the marble, there's the checker, as you can see right here, there's the spiral right here and so forth, as you can see right here. You can go around and rotate it out, as you can see right here, into different direction, as you can see. So let's go around onto wood right here, and you can choose the Sphere Design, as you can see right here. Choose around the color as you like right here, just like this. Press OK, and you get the sphere as you like. So let's just go around and press OK, and you can see that this is the sphere that you get right here. And that is how you can go around, and it covers up the entire field, as you can see right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the Sphere Designer inside of GIMP. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.